just want you to follow me right now. We are going to make 5 exercises, and each exercise we are going to make 20 reps. This is basically engaging with the lower body. You want to build your glutes, you want to work out on your legs. These are the exercises we are going to do right now. Okay, so we are going to start with just a simple warm-up, just to warm up our body. Then after, we dive into the 4 basic exercises that really works on our lower body: glutes, nyash, wider hips. Okay, you want to work on your legs, these are the right video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are going to start with a simple warm-up, and then we dive into the exercises. Simple warm-up is going to be stretches. Open your legs wide, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we're going to a deep squat down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now let's dive into our first exercise. We are going to kick back 20 each leg. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That is a kickback. Okay, so we can take a simple rest, 10 seconds, and then we dive into the next workout. Okay, we are going to lie down, and then we do light leg extension. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's go in the next exercise. You can lie down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Have a rest. Take a rest. 10 seconds. we are diving into squats. Okay, we are going to make 20 squats and then we continue. Okay, don't forget to put down the comment section. You can tell me where you are watching from, which country are you from, how long have you been following me, and what is the time right now in your country. It will make sense for me. Okay, currently right now I'm in Dubai and it's around midday. Okay, this gym is called the Body Monster. If you want to join me, you are around here in Dubai, come. Is a very nice gym. They have a lot of equipment, indoor and outdoor exercises. It's really looking nice. Okay, let's dive into 20 squats. Let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Take a rest. It's very simple. Take a rest. Those are 20 squats, but right now we're going to make again 20 squats because we're counting each leg are supposed to make 20. So we make 20 here, but we have to do it again and we make 20 again. You get my point? Yeah, we're supposed to make 40 squats. Here we are engaging in our legs, glutes, quads. We are trying to tone up our lower body. Do you get my point? So in 3 2 1, guys, get up, let's go. 20. Make your legs a little bit wider. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Good job, eh? Those are 20 squats again. Yeah, what we're gonna do next, we're going to dive into lunges so that we can, how will I call it, we can subtract, no, we can separate, no, we go lift a little bit, yes, lunges, and we cut out those grits. They can look nice like bubbles. Anyway, take water and then we dive into lunges. We are going to make 20 each leg. Okay, 3 2 1, let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Change this leg. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Take a rest. Those are the 5 exercises you need to work on every day, at least for 30 days, to tone your lower body, to tone your glutes, to build the total strength of your legs. Okay, so those are the 5 exercises. Right now, like this video, put down the comment where you're watching from, and make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel. So I'm so excited to see you today right now on this video. Don't forget to check my other videos for losing weight, burning fats, toning from different parts of your body. See you guys. I love you so much. Bye bye.